We believe that good life comes with good health. At Unison, we devote ourselves to improve the quality of life by providing access to high-quality medicines at an affordable price. With continuous research and development of new generic pharmaceutical product, Unison can deliver the best quality products for higher quality of life. Unison was established in 1956. For over half a century, Unison has been highly recognized in developing and manufacturing high-quality generic pharmaceutical products. The story began with small operation of importing pharmaceutical product for distribution in Thailand and expanded to become a world-class manufacturer with distribution network both domestic and worldwide. In 2010, Unison relocated from the manufacturing site in Bangkok to the new site in Chachoengsao. This new facility, built on 100,000 square meters of land area, supports greater production capacity with PICS GMP standard. Unison's new manufacturing plant is fully equipped with the latest technology, equipments, and machineries in more than 23,000 square meters of operational area. Unison also has more than 35 pharmacists and over 500 experienced staffs. Production buildings at Unison were designed into 3 levels for the advantage in controlling operational conditions and for effective maintenance. The 3rd floor contains air handling unit and ducting network, which is the core of HVAC system that produce and transport dry, cool, and clean air into the production area. This network is controlled by the building automation system. The 2nd floor is the Class D clean room production area, which temperature, humidity, and pressure are effectively controlled. Every production room is equipped with double airlock door system with positive air pressure to prevent cross-contamination. In production area, we install swirl-type air diffuser that circulates air down to the floor, which is different from office-type air diffuser that circulates the air from floor to ceiling, which is the cause of dust dispersion in the room. Besides, the air shower and pass box systems are also being used to prevent the contamination into the production area. The basement floor is for the installation of drainage and dust extraction systems to prevent the reversal of dust into the production area and assist the humidity control in the ventilation system. By dividing the area into 3 levels, the maintenance of utility system can be accessible from outside the production area. Upon receiving of raw material, Unison strictly follows the PICS GMP guideline by conducting 100% identity test using NIR spectrometer on all raw materials. Then the Quality Control Laboratory will analyze all parameters that may affect the patients. The analysis includes the identity test according to the pharmacopoeia, as well as analysis of particle size, related substances, crystallized form, polymorph, and DL form to ensure that the raw material to be used in the production is of the highest quality and efficiency. The dispensing of raw material is performed under weighing booth with unidirectional airflow to prevent the contamination on product and the operator. The dispensing process is managed by computer and barcode system, and the production personnel will recheck before production. In the production process, vacuum system is used to transfer the raw material into the machine instead of manual loading to prevent the dispersion of dust inside the production room. All parts of the machine with direct contact to the product are made of 316L stainless steel. All necessary in-process controls are carried out by both production and quality assurance departments. The delivery trucks are temperature controlled to ensure that Unison's products reach the customers in the best condition. Before bringing the products to the market, the quality assurance department selects the product at random from every production batch for analysis of each parameter according to the requirement of each product. For example, assay of active ingredient, disintegration test, dissolution test, and microbial testing. Furthermore, we also analyze the related substance to comply with pharmacopoeia monograph to guarantee that Unison's product is of the highest quality and does not place patients at risk. Unison has built 2 rooms under 2 conditions for retained samples to support the conditions required of each product to ensure that Unison can effectively trace back each lot of product. The water system used in the production process is purified water, which is produced by using the combination of double reverse osmosis and EDI systems. Furthermore, the ozone from purified water is added and water quality is monitored by TOC online system. The purified water pipes are entirely made of stainless steel, and zero dead leg valves is used to prevent the formation of biofilm and bacteria. In terms of environment, Unison has also invested in the most efficient activated sludge biological treatment system for wastewater. The system is designed with diffusers that completely mix oxygen with the wastewater, which resulted in the water quality that meets the industrial standard. The wastewater treatment system is capable of handling 200 cubic meters of wastewater per day. And in order to conserve the resource, the treated wastewater is used to water grass and trees within the factory area instead of being released into the city sewage system. For pharmaceutical product, every stage of operation reflects quality. Unison strives to improve every unit of operation to meet international standard. The standards Unison acquired and is currently applying for are GMP, ISO 9001, PICS GMP, TIS OHSAS 18001, ISO 14001, and ISO 50001. Unison is not only paying attention to the international standard, but we have also invested in research and development to develop new generic pharmaceutical products which are bioequivalent to the originators. The research and development is done under the supervision of highly experienced pharmacists and scientists in our sophisticated facility with advanced equipments. At Research and Development Center, we also conduct stability study in 3 rooms at 3 conditions according to the regulation set by Food and Drug Administration to ensure that patients can access to high-quality medicine for their well-being. Unison pays high attention to the corporate social responsibility, for example, the education funding, building library in rural area, and donation for victims of natural disasters. In terms of energy conservation, Unison's electricity usage is closely monitored by the energy management software, which can observe and analyze effectively the power consumption. Unison continuously organizes training sessions, seminars, and activities to educate their employees, such as training to increase employees' awareness on environmental situation and on the occupational health and safety, to educate the employee in risk management, and to be able to perform their jobs under the safest condition. For more than 5 decades of continuous growth and the development of high-quality products, Unison has become one of the leading Thai pharmaceutical manufacturers. Unison is very well regarded in products quality and service by both government and private hospitals, state enterprises, clinics, and pharmacies, which make Unison sales turnover one of the highest among pharmaceutical companies in Thailand. Unison also exports to more than 20 countries worldwide. We promise to keep researching and developing high-quality pharmaceutical products to help improve the quality of life for all people. Unison is committed to innovation, international quality standard of products, with superb services for customer satisfaction.